Hello everyone, welcome to the 55th Hewlett Packard's Lab podcast from Research to Reality. This podcast, we have a great honor and pleasure to host Hewlett Packard Labs interns. Interns come every year. Most of them come during the summer. Some of them come throughout the year. But every time they come, they bring new energy. They help us think outside of the box. They generate a lot of IP and help us in many unplanned and planned ways.
Hi, my name is Kiran. I am a computer science master's student from Rutgers University. I'm working in a systems architecture lab in the area of privacy benchmarking in recommender systems. This internship is my first research experience in the industry, and I loved participating in research because it made me feel like I'm working on something innovative on a daily basis. I love this location because the weather is amazing here and I love to hike. So I go on hike on weekends if I get time. And something interesting about me is I love to cook, and I've been trying to bake during this summer and on the weekends. Yeah. So that is all. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Timo and I'm here a research intern at the Hewlett Packard Labs. I'm currently studying computer science at the DHBW Stuttgart in Germany. And I work in the area in the labs of machine learning for wildlife tracking with our South African partner, the Tracker Academy, to help preserve wildlife. I really like my internship because we're not just using AI to create a new product and put the word on top of it because it sounds cool. We are actually using AI to help preserve wildlife and to help preserve biodiversity. I specifically like this location because it's just like an engineering basement. We have lots of smart people here. We have clean rooms, we have photonic labs, we have dark laser rooms, which sounds like something out of Star Wars. And yeah, something interesting about me, I think I love to go to In-N-Out. So yeah, I can recommend it for breakfast, dinner and lunch, for everything, yeah.
Hi, my name is Vyo Mittal and I am from University of California, Riverside. I'm interning with HPE and I'm working on developing reproducible benchmarking framework for serverless environment. And I like this internship because I get to work on new technologies with very good hardware and awesome mentors. And I like this area because there are a lot of escape rooms here and a lot of Indian restaurants. An interesting thing about me is that I learned Taekwondo when I was a kid, and I can do 100 push-ups in one go.
Hello, everyone. My name is Zhenling. I'm a PhD student from the University of Texas at Arlington. I'm currently studying computer science. So I work at a lab in the area of the high-speed CPU device interconnect computer express link. I like this place because I can study and explore the cutting-edge technologies. I like this location because it's very close to the Mission Peak, and I also like the San Jose site because it has a better decoration. Yeah. And we play soccer every week on Friday afternoon, and I like that.
Hi, I'm Vijay. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I go to Georgia Tech. I work in HSC, specifically on serverless frameworks and heterogeneous scientific workflows. I like my internship because I get to work with people from all over the world. I like this location because it's sunny all the time, and I recently biked from Asheville to Atlanta.
So my name is Zachariah Carmichael. I'm a PhD student at the University of Notre Dame in Notre Dame, Indiana, next to South Bend. So I work in the labs in the area of artificial intelligence. I'm in the AI RL underneath Samyandu Sarkar, and I work on various topics from surrogate modeling of data centers, trustworthy and robust machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques. So I like my internship because I get a lot of exposure to a variety of topics. There's a great set of expertise in the labs, and you get to meet people with similar interests, and it ultimately helps me grow as a person. Let's see. So I like this location because it's my first time in the Bay Area. It's a good introduction to everything. You're near a lot of cool stuff, nature, city. So Something interesting about me is I guess I play the drums and I've performed before, so yeah.
My name is Philipp Reit and I'm from Austria. I study at the University of Technology Vienna. At my internship, I work with container scheduling and serverless computing. I like working here because I can explore ideas without any restrictions. And I like this location because it has nice food trucks and I love espresso.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Lekha. I am a first-year PhD student at Texas A&M University. My research is mainly focused on offline reinforcement learning and its applications. I work in HP Labs in the area of the AI and reinforcement team, which is headed by Soumyendu Sarkar. I like my internship mainly because of the exciting projects that we do on sustainability in data centers. One of the interesting projects that we're doing is, to reduce the carbon footprint of a data center and build surrogate models to have a better simulation of data center in real time and so on. Yeah, and I also like this internship mainly because of the team here. They're very supportive and collaborative. And I like this location mainly because of the weather. It's very hot where I come from, Texas. And also its proximity to big cities like SF and a lot of interesting things to do outdoors. So something interesting about me is that I like to dance along with doing my research, and during my free time, I come up with some choreographies for some dance sets. And yeah, that's about me.
Hi, I'm Alex Weaver. I am a student at the University of North Texas. I am working in the labs in the area of systems architecture. And I really like this internship because it really puts the research in context. So all of the work I do at the university puts that into context. I like this area because of all the hiking, and I'm a musician.
So first of all, thanks for having me. I'm Ahmed Hassan, and I just finished my master's at the University of Minnesota, and I will be joining University of Southern California for my PhD just in a few weeks. Yeah, my research broadly covers the area of mobile systems and cellular networking, and over here I have been working with Puneet Sharma and Chimang Agarwal, and we have been working on private 5G, which HP has become very interested in. They have acquired a private 5G leader at Ethernet very recently. And to be honest, this is the first time I have gotten the opportunity to work with other people in a lab setting. And I've really liked the opportunity of going to other people and talking to them and then just getting answers in real time. I haven't done that in the past because of COVID and all the other remote stuff. So yeah, even the weekends are really fun around here. I am a big sports fan. And then I also like being outdoors. So you can if you're in the Bay Area, you can just go out and find so many things to do. You just have to drive up north or south or towards the east side, and you can go to beaches, you can go to mountains. So I really like my experience over here, not just during the week when I'm working, but also on the weekends.
Hi, my name is Liad Gerstman. I live in Haifa and I study at the Technion in Israel. I like my internship because I can see great people from many fields, from all the universities in the world. I really like my internship here because of that. I really like this location because it's just the opposite direction to all the traffic in the Bay Area. And also, one great fact about myself is that since I got here, I fell in love with biryani, which was very tasty for me. And that's it, I think.
My name is Erza, and I'm a PhD student from Purdue University. I'm interning at HPC AI Labs for this summer, and I'm working on a project which deals with accelerating large-scale machine learning models. I really like my work because we get to work on really cutting-edge technologies and state-of-the-art solutions. This includes latest large language models like ChatGPT and accelerating them to be able to be more sustainable and be more energy efficient in the longer run. I like this location because it's my first time in the Bay Area. I really like the weather here, and the facilities around the office location are really great. We have the gym, we have the food trucks every week, and I really like being here. It has provided me an opportunity to pursue my hobby as well, which is I am a part-time travel and food blogger. So I have this opportunity to be in California, explore all the new places, try out these new foods. And I think this internship has really given me an opportunity to be to a great learning opportunity as well as pursue my hobbies. So I really love to be a part of HPE.
Hi, I'm Surichi. I'm from Colorado State University. I work in the lab in the Bay Area, and I like this location because of the weather and the facility here. And I can work with experts from multiple areas, and I love hiking.
So, hello, my name is Suan Lee. I'm from Georgia Tech. I'm a first-year PhD student. I work in labs in the area of large-scale distributed systems. And specifically, my project here is on CXL-enabled disaggregated memory systems, which will be applied to many different areas. I like my internship because I can do cool research with smart people and my mentors who are really supportive to my work. And this internship enables me to use during my PhD journey, which is also really helpful to me. And I like this location because there are many nice coffee shops compared to Atlanta. And something interesting about me is I like traveling, so which is really cool to live in this Bay Area. There are many locations, only if you have a car in 1 hour. Yes, thank you.
My name is Erfan Sharafzadeh. I'm a PhD student in computer science at Johns Hopkins University. And my research centers around doing network traffic measurements at fine time scales and designing high-performance network stacks. So during my internship here at Hewlett Packard Labs, I've been able to work with top-notch engineers and researchers. And it's been a very nice opportunity for me to tackle problems that everyday internet users face. So I like to play soccer, and we have this Friday event that we all interns and all the people here in the lab go out and play different sports. We play soccer, we play cricket, we have played volleyball, and that was also one of those great times to connect to people who are here.
Hello, my name is Hongzheng Tian. I'm from the University of California, Irvine. And my internship is about to build the compiler for the heterogeneous architecture. I like my internship is because that I can meet a lot of new persons and learning a lot about how to handle big project. And I like this location because I'm really enjoy the sunshine in the North California, and something interesting about me is like I very like photography.
My name is Dinesh Bhattacharya, and I am a PhD student in University of California, Santa Barbara. I am a research intern in the large-scale integrated photonics lab, and my work is on systems and architecture design of hardware accelerator for optimization problem solving. I like my PhD research because it's similar enough that it's not a big diversion for me, and it's dissimilar enough that I get to learn a lot of new things. I like this. So my location is Milpitas, and I love this location because it lets you work hard through the week, and then in the weekends you can go out and explore all the beautiful places of Northern California. Something interesting about me is I am a road cyclist. And although it has been quite some time since I went on a bike ride, but one time I biked 112 miles from Santa Barbara to Los Angeles.
Yeah, so my name is Lawrence, and I'm studying data science at the Corporate State University Stuttgart, so in Germany. And this is actually my first time in the US. I work in the labs in the AI research lab, in the area of green data centers, so how we could use AI to make data centers more sustainable. I like my internship because I can practice all the stuff I learned in theory at university and can put it in practice, and I think it's a much better way to learn something than just hearing about it at university. I like this location mostly because of the people that work here. because you can just go to them, talk with them about their research topic and learn something new from them because they have more experience than me from my studies. And something interesting about me, I don't know. Yeah, it's actually my first time outside of Europe, and I think it's pretty cool that it's possible with HPE to do this.
Hi everyone, I'm Arjun and I'm a PhD student at University of California, Merced, and my research interests are in data center storage systems. And in the HP labs, I'm a part of networking and distributed systems lab, and my project revolves around accelerating key value stores using smart SSDs. And I like my internship because every day I get to interact with amazing researchers and fellow interns, and I get to learn a lot from them. And also I also get access to new and upcoming hardware which I can play around with. And I like this location because there are a lot of extracurricular activities which we can do in Bay Area, and also it has a lot of diverse food options and cuisines which we can explore. Yeah, something interesting about me is that I'm an anime freak, and I can watch anime up to straight 12 hours without taking any breaks. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm John Eckert. I'm a bachelor student at the Cooperative State University of Baden-Württemberg. I study business administration systems, and I'm part of the dual study system, which enables me to do half of my bachelor's degree at HPE in internships. This enables me to do an internship here at the labs, enabling me to integrate highly parallel programming languages like Akuda and Chapel. So something about me, I'm a huge sci-fi literature fan, and if anybody's looking for the next book, I can highly recommend Blindside by Peter Watts. I really like the United States and the opportunity HPE has given me to travel here because of the very nice weather. I really love the Bay Area, and just getting to do the nice science. Okay.
I'm back. You had opportunity to hear from our interns, and I only thought it was fair that you also hear from their mentors. Deman.
Hi, my name is Deman Zattutaqaj, and I'm working at the Networking and Distributed Systems Lab. I work on network optimization and algorithms, serverless computing, and scheduling algorithms. So during the summer, I had the privilege to work with Suan Lee along with Khaled Dayab. So in NDSL, we usually pair together to guide the mentors. And one thing I like a lot about mentoring the interns is that they bring a lot of fresh and new ideas and perspective to our team. And their unshaped mind, which is not influenced by the state of the art, would bring a lot of creativity and innovation to our team. And aside from doing internship and mentoring, we had a lot of fun activities with the interns. So during the summer on Fridays, we used to go to play soccer, volleyball, and even I started playing cricket for the first time in my life. So one thing I like about this place is that aside from having a very nice weather, there's a lot of fun activities for my 4-year-old daughter, and then we can go outside and have a lot of fun. Yeah.
Somendu?
Hi, I'm Shomendu, and over the summer, I had the privilege of mentoring Zach, Lekha, and Lawrence. I work in the area of AI, and we do some very cool stuff on sustainability for supercomputing, nuclear fusion, wave energy, and the trust in AI, which is a very hot topic, including the large language models. Now, mentorship is a very rewarding experience, and I relieve my youth by looking at the reflection in these youngsters, and it's very rewarding to look at their dreams and aspirations, and I try to work with them to expose a bigger world to them. And this location is amazing. It's in the Silicon Valley, the most happening place on earth, and you get to see the nature, but also this wonderful ecosystem in the valley. And about something interesting in me, I'm pretty boring, but I work with you all the time and very closely, and with the rest of the team. We have a fantastic synergy inside the team, and I believe you can learn a lot, and we publish a lot. So it's the ideal place for you. Pavana.
Hey, hi everybody. My name is Pavana Prakash, and I'm from the System Architecture Lab, and I mainly work on AI and machine learning. And I joined labs 1 quarter ago because I recently graduated from my PhD program. And 1 summer ago, I was very busy defending my dissertation. And 2 summers ago, I was an intern myself. So I'm so looking forward to meeting new interns next summer, because I already feel that there are so many opportunities I already got in the brief 3 months that I've got. I've worked on sustainability, I've worked on hackathons, I've taken part in several other events, and I'm already talking to other new interns and already mentoring them, so it feels so exciting so far. And I'm super new to California. I love everything so far, from mountains to beaches and hiking and biking and very good places to hang out and restaurants. So I really think everybody will really enjoy this, and I so look forward to meet you all. Yeah, Marco.
Thank you. Yeah, my name is Marco Fiorentino. I work in labs in the area of photonics and accelerators. And over the past summer, I mentored and managed Tinish and Xinling. And it's always a great experience to work with interns, because first of all, I learn a lot. They have all the latest ideas, the latest knowledge, and also they bring a lot of energy to the lab, and so it's always a lot of fun to work with them and see what we can do together. And I like this location here in Milpitas specifically because we are really close to a lot of really great Chinese restaurants, and also because of the air. Yeah, something interesting about me, I really like to hike and bike around the Bay Area. There's a lot of good paths and good parks around here, so it's a really good place if you like the outdoors. Back to you, Dehan.
Thanks, Marco. Thanks, everyone. Last but not the least, my name is Dejan Milojicic. I work in System Architecture Lab. Over the summer, I worked with 10 interns, but one that exclusively worked with me was Vijay. I work on many interesting things, so I'll skip that, but I enjoy mentorship because it makes me feel like intern again. Back in 1982, I was intern in Cementa factory in Greece. It was just like 100 yards away from the beach. I went to swim all the time. I obviously like this location, like all these ladies and gentlemen. This is the place to be. So many interesting things. And one thing about me is I was soccer coach for 18 years, and I like to pickle cabbage, sauerkraut in my basement. So on 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are mentors!